if you know, but I'm getting married tomorrow, and I need to go and I need to do some last minute shopping. You heard me, getting married. I know, such a small life, so fast and crazy. So me and my mom are gonna be doing and going some last minute wedding shopping. Mom, whose wedding is it?
You.
It's my wedding. So right now we're picking up my brother because he's one of my bridesmaids.
What?
Hi, Moni.
What's up?
Hello. Did you find out yet?
What?
Do you really want to know?
No.
Tomorrow's my wedding. You're my bridesmaid.
What the fuck's wrong with you?
We were gonna go get a dress for you.
What the heck's wrong with you?
Mom, tell him. I don't have any friends. He's one of my bridesmaids. Do you want to know who the groom is?
Not really.
Do you want to guess?
Not really.
Do you want to guess his name?
Not really.
Okay, I guess you'll never know his name. Oh yes, it is my wedding. I'm so excited. I've been planning this wedding since I've been like 2 years old. So I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. Ah! So my wedding is gonna be at a park. It's the most expensive park in like all of America. You know what? In all of the world. It's so expensive and it's literally custom designed for me. Yes, the park is custom designed for me. Okay, so my brother is mad.
Shut up!
My brother is mad because my wedding is tomorrow and he doesn't want to be alone in the house.
What does that have to do with anything? I just want to go home.
You don't want to do wedding
I
shopping?
don't care.
Mom, are you excited?
Too much.
Yeah! I want flowers. I want red. No white, no blue flowers.
Okay.
And I also, so they were asking me where's the wedding gonna be?
Where?
I told them, at a park.
Oh, okay.
It's a really fancy park and like only famous people go there. Mom, I'm so sad. I'm gonna leave you guys. Do this.
No.
Okay, so we're going to Del Taco to get some tacos. Hi.
What can I get for you?
How many? 4? 5?
Oh.
Can I get 4 tostadas, please? Do you guys have fries?
Yeah.
Okay. Bride wants fries. So my wedding dress is so cute and big and it's like so expensive. So
Did
expensive.
you buy that for like $9?
No!
Cents?
And how many cents?
43?
No, it's 45 cents! Also, we sent out invitation letters online, and if you didn't get a letter, that means you're not invited. Sorry, not sorry. There are people in this world I would never invite to my wedding. You know who you are. So this is where I'm gonna walk down the aisle. We're just making sure everything is ready to go. Do you like the setup, Moni?
You didn't say anything up, you just got here.
What?
Pirates, fish and chips!
We're going to Starbucks right now. I'm driving, and I'm gonna ask them for a special order.
Hello, thank you for choosing our Starbucks. How can I get started for you?
Hi. Okay, so this might be weird, but tomorrow's my wedding, and I was wondering if you can make me a drink that's like wedding vibe.
Oh, okay.
So like your choice of anything.
Oh my gosh, I literally have the best drink idea, but do you want a surprise or do you want me to tell you?
Yes, a surprise.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Do you like coffee or like not really?
Whatever you want.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. The worst part is I have these butterflies, so I look like I'm 5 years old. Okay.
You're probably gonna get married to someone that's gonna give you a donut as a ring. You're not getting married, shut up.
I am
Who
getting.
wants to marry you?
Mama-
Nobody wants to!
Mom, am I getting married? No. She was so excited. Okay. Oh gosh. Hi.
You said it's gonna be
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
I knew it!
I feel so bad.
I knew it! Pro tips with Moni! Keep up, bro!
I feel so bad. Look how pretty it is, and it says. Let's good. You wanna try it?
I'm the bride now.
It's literally so sweet. I couldn't really record it because I forgot, like always. But I kept telling her, I was like, no, I'll pay. And I was giving her my card. She's like, no, it's totally fine. She's so sweet. And this is such a pretty drink. And it has a bunch of hearts on it. It's so good. Loved everything I did today in shopping. I didn't really film something, which is getting flowers. We got a bunch of flowers. We went to the place where the wedding will be, and it was such a beautiful place. Everything is already set for tomorrow. I'm so excited because tomorrow is gonna be a whole new day. Tomorrow I'm gonna be vlogging my makeup, my hair, my dress. Also, the dress is gorgeous, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of it. A little bit though, just a little. I can't show you too much of the dress, but I can show you this part right here. It's so pretty, and I'm so excited. But that's it, that's all I can show you. Oh, you can kind of see me in the mirror. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I'm so excited for you guys to see me tomorrow on my wedding day.